Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0399O, in color code 002. It's a gold color frame. It has a gold GG logo on the side of the temple, and it has a red and green detailing. This frame is made in Italy. These are demo lenses stamped with the Gucci logo. Up here we have velvet Gucci cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your sunglasses in, a cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.